Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I have got like a little new setup. I bought myself a new ring light. So guys, please do let me know if like the lighting is any better. I am sitting in front of a window, so I've closed my curtains. So let me know what you think of like the new background and if it's too much or if I should change it. Let me know what you guys think. But let's get on with today's video, and I thought I would show you guys just a few simple easy hairstyles that I do kind of every day, and that's just really simple, very quick and easy to do if you're running out the door ready for work, or if you're ready for a night out or anything like that. I've got about 3 or 4 which I'm going to show you guys today, so let's jump straight into it, shall we? So first one is obviously I've got my hair in a bun. I will show you just how I do mine. Obviously it's a little bit a bit haywire, but that's fine. And yeah, so I will take my hair down and then I'll show you guys what I do basically. So yeah, bear with me just while I sort my hair out, and then I will get back to you guys. So guys, all you do for this one, this is all I do. I just get my little hairbrush. All I use is 2 hairbands and 3 hairpins. So you're just gonna brush. Sorry, I'm going to look into the viewfinder as I'm not sitting in front of my mirror currently. So all you do is you just brush your hair up into like a high ponytail, just like on the top of your head. As you can kind of see what I'm trying to do here. And then you just tie that together as if you're doing kind of like a weird ponytail. And then I just brush my hair through, as it can get a little bit knotty when you're trying to do that. So then the next step, you're going to get your next hairband, and then you are just going to twist all the way around like so, and then just tie your hair tie around like that. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. And you're going to get 3, 4, 5, however many pins you want. I just use kind of just the simple ones like these, like bobby pins I think they're called. And I am just going to put them in place so that my hair does not move throughout the day. And I do have quite thick hair, so sometimes I do struggle with my hair, and it can fall down at times, but it's super easy to do, as you can see. And then I just pull out like my wispy bits like this, and there we have it. And that took me 2 minutes, if that, just to do a simple, quick, easy hairstyle. So yeah, that is the first one. So guys, the next one I'm going to show you is a high ponytail. I do this nearly every day for work, and again it's just super quick and easy to do. So you're just going to get your hairbrush and 1 hairband and try and get your ponytail pretty much on the top of your head, like we did just for the bun just now, and just try and get it as far forward as you can, like so. Hopefully you guys can see. The hair's probably in the way. And then just try and move it forward if you can, and just position it and brush it through if you need to, like so. So I'm going to do a bit of fiddling around now here, so just bear with me guys, just for a second. So I do this kind of ready for work, and it takes me about 1 minute, 2 minutes tops. Very quick and easy. And then I will just like find my wispy bits again, like this. And then I will straighten, I normally straighten these bits just to make it look a bit nicer, and I do straighten my ponytail as well. I haven't done that this morning, so that's probably why it looks a bit odd. And then we have it. Quick, easy, high ponytail, and you're ready to go to work or out for the evening or whatever you're doing for the day. super quick, super easy, and I've just done that within like 2 minutes. So that's the second hairstyle. So guys, for the next hairstyle I'm going to do a kind of like a low ponytail just behind. I'm just currently brushing my hair out. Ignore my roots because I need to get it done. But yeah, again, super quick and easy to do. You just need one hairband. I'm just currently trying to brush my hair back. But this is another hairstyle I do, so it doesn't really matter what parting you have, whether it's in the middle or at the side. I have a middle parting, as you can see. Yeah, so all you do, try and move a little bit so you can just kind of see what I'm doing. So I'm literally just gonna do this. Bring all your hair back like so, and then you're just gonna tie your hair back like that. Hopefully you guys can see that okay, like so. And then you can just pull your little bits around here, and then I just pull again my wispy bits around like so. So you can mess around with it however you guys want to. This is just how I do it. Yeah, just pull out your wispy bits like so, and you've got yourself a low ponytail. Quick and easy. Again, didn't take me 5 minutes, just took me a minute, 2 minutes tops. So super quick and easy, you can just run out the door. So guys, the last one I'm going to show you is pretty much the same as the really low ponytail, but it's just basically higher up, so it's kind of like in the middle of your head at the back. I can't plait my own hair, so I'm not a pro, so I can't show you plaiting my own hair. But I'm going to obviously try and show you another ponytail that you guys can do. So literally just one hairband again, and obviously brush your hair through how you want it to. And then all you're going to do is bring like part of your hair kind of to the middle of your head like that. Obviously this is going to be a really messy one, bearing in mind. So if you're not so keen on this one, then that's fine. You don't have to bother with this one. But sometimes I quite like it. I think it looks quite interesting. But if you want to, you can just brush your hair through if you're not so keen on that, guys. So yeah, I will try and turn around so you can kind of see what I'm doing. So as you can see, it's kind of like halfway up my head instead of like at the lower by your neck, guys. So then once you're happy with that, then just tie that back and give your tail a brush through if you want to. And as you can see, it kind of looks like a little bit messy, but that's fine, I don't mind that at all. And as you can see, it's like not halfway up, it's about halfway up and not on my neck. So if you guys like get a bit itchy, sometimes I do, we all do, and it annoys you, then this one will be for you. And then again, if you want your wispy bits so you've got a little bit more shape to your face, literally just pull a little few wispy bits out. So that's pretty much what I do. I just kind of prod and get it to where I want, basically. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. You've got another style of ponytail, and that's it. Quick and easy to do, again within 2 minutes, and then you're on your way to work, guys. So yeah, that's it. So guys, that was 4 quick and easy hairstyles for you guys to do when you're running out the door for work, or you're going up to dinner and you're in a rush. Yeah, super quick and easy for me to do. I just do it on my way to work, or if I'm rushing out the door for dinner or something, or lunch or whatever it is. Just something quick and easy for you guys to do on your way out. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, guys, then please do give it a like and a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel, and please do let me know about the background and everything. I'm still playing around with it and thinking of like other places in the room to sit and film. But yeah, hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.